I love things that draw you outside and invite you to enjoy a little more of life. You can breathe and open your eyes to possibilities and see a world from a new perspective. The way a car looks and feels, the way a car sounds, it's all a symphony for the senses and becomes part of the journey. Because sometimes it's actually 90% journey and 10% destination.
Not just only one, you know.
Best things also draw you to people, because without people, life is empty. Share what you have, share the experiences, share the knowledge. Be a part of others' lives and let them be a part of yours. Show me anything of significance and I'll show you that hidden behind the wonder are the people, the team, the design, the ideas, all of the work. Because what you initially see is just the reward.